Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Damilola. In case you're stopping by for the first time, please do not be a stranger here. Today's video is going to be an updated skincare routine video. The last time I did one was last year. I've not done any one this year, so I just thought to, do like an updated version of my skincare routine. I should mention that I add retinol in my routine this morning. So everything I'm going to be focusing on in this routine will be hydration and just protecting my skin because I know that if there is one thing that I am double sure, triple sure that retinol is capable of doing is to mess with your skin barrier. You can think that anyway. It will if you are not careful. Okay, it might if you are not careful. So everything I'm going to be focusing on this morning will just be, hydrate, moisturize, and protect. I think I should also mention that my skin is oily, it is sensitive, and it is acne prone. But over the years, I've been able to work on acne breakout. That means I do not break out like I would before, but I still deal with hyperpigmentation. Okay, so but this video is not for hyperpigmentation. It's not to treat hyperpigmentation. This video is not to treat hyperpigmentation. It is the morning after retinol routine. Okay, so the first thing I already wet my face. So the next thing I will do is to use my cleanser. Please don't be distracted by my microphone. I want to use my hands today and I might have to talk at the same time. So that is why I have placed it in this position. Please don't be distracted. The cleanser I will use this morning is from Tiam. It is the Tiam Snail and Azulene Low pH Cleanser. This cleanser has snail mucin, so I believe all skin types can use it. Snail mucin basically hydrates and moisturizes. That is what it does well, and I believe all skin type needs hydration. So yeah, I'm going to be using it. See, let me just give you one trick to get the most out of your cleansers. If it is written on a cleanser to lather before use, please make sure you lather before you use. Lathering it simply means, adding water and making a foam before you apply it on your face. And make sure your face is wet before you apply your cleanser. That way, you will get the most out of it. If a product says to lather, make sure you lather. If a product says apply on damp or dry skin, make sure you follow because these are some of the things that people do not do and they end up saying, oh, this product is not working, this product is not working. I hope I made sense. Cleanser. I'm not sure I mentioned, but that cleanser is a foaming cleanser, okay? The more you add water, the more it foams. So you are ready to rinse, okay? So yeah, so now I'm just drying my skin before I go in with my toner. I feel like I've talked about toner a couple of times on this channel. Honestly, toners are not my favorite product. However, that means they are not compulsory for me. If I have them in my routine, fine. If I don't, I'm good. Okay, it's not a must. But let me tell you something that toners do, especially if you want to see if you want to have a plump skin. You know that plump effects that people have after they finish their skincare routine, or when people are doing their skincare routine, they are saying, "Oh, Gloria, glow, unicorn, is toner." And let me give the trick is to layer it. You don't have to use more than one toner, okay? But just layer it. After a layer, go in again. The effect is immediate, okay? You will see the effect immediately. It gives a plum effect that it's cute, okay? Yeah. So next is toner, and I'm not sure. I'm not sure I've used this toner here, but it's this one from Cosrx. This is so good. It hydrates. I mean, that's what it does. But yeah, yeah, toner. And guys, when you are applying your product, make sure before you go in with the next one, the one you use settles into the skin. Give it time to penetrate into the skin. Don't go in immediately. Nigeria is hot, and at the time I'm even filming this video, there's no light, but I have a rechargeable hand fan here. I'm going to use in this video. I just hope that works fast. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this particular toner foams. So that is why I was trying not to rub it. Instead, I was, just patting it into my skin. Can you guys see the difference between when I came out of the shower and after applying the toner? If you use more than this, the face will look alive more than this. Okay, that's just a simple trick. Since I am focusing on hydration, the next product I will use is this premium toner from Adalabo. Honestly, I'm almost out, but I'm almost out, and so far I enjoy the product. I've not repurchased and I've not made up my mind if I'll be repurchasing or not. But yeah, let's use the little that is remaining. Still on hydration, the next product I will use is snail mucin and peptide from Jumiso. This I have used this before on this channel, and ever since I started using this one, I've not looked back. Before, I used to use the snail mucin serum from Cosrx. Honestly, the difference between this and the one from Cosrx is the fact that this is non-comedogenic. That means it won't clog my pores, and because it has peptide. I mean, anything to strengthen my skin barrier. Okay, so I will pick this any day at any time. It's almost out, as you can see, and I've bought another one. I think the purpose of even doing this like this way is defeated because now I'm still doing the routine with one hand. I have to use my fan on the other hand, and I'm saying all of this to while away time so that my skincare can, penetrate well into the skin before I move on to the next one. The next product I will use is moisturizer, and I will use this one from Uncover. You guys have seen it on this channel before. The one I was using finished and I just got this one. I'm going to do a detailed review of this Uncover moisturizer. Okay, yeah, let me just put it that way. I will do a review of the moisturizer. So next is moisturizer. Already my face is looking all, I mean, you can tell, so I'm not going to go crazy with the moisturizer, okay? And for the moisturizer, a little goes a long way actually, so I don't need to do too much with it. Lastly, for this routine, the next product I'm going to use is my sunscreen. If you do all of this and you do not use your sunscreen, you do not protect your skin, sorry to break it to you, but you just wasted your time, your efforts, your product, okay? Sunscreen, especially during the daytime, you don't have to use your sunscreen at night, okay? Sunscreen during the day is like the most important step, okay? Yes, sunscreen. Whether you leave your house or you do not leave your house, make sure you use your sunscreen. And if you are going to be outside, make sure you reapply when you remember or when you can, okay? Please do not forget to use your sunscreen. On days that I'm not rushing to be anywhere or, I'm taking my time to do my skincare routine, I leave the sunscreen on my face just for about a minute, okay? Nothing too fancy. There's just this glowy effect it gives when you leave it on for some time. And I think you also give it time to penetrate better when you just like leave it on. It's like you're giving the skin time to absorb it into your skin before you rub it and all of that. Because I even feel like sometimes when we rub it, a lot even is on the hand, so I might be wrong, but I just like to leave it on my face for a while before I rub it in. I hope that makes sense. Also, because you give the sunscreen time to absorb into the skin, by the time you are ready to like rub everything over your face, the time you use is lesser compared to when you apply it direct when you start rubbing it directly after application. So yeah, give it a try and let me know. Okay, the next time you try it if it works. To round up this routine, I will use my lip gloss. I already used lip balm earlier, but I need a shiny. I want it to, complement my shiny face. That brings us to the end of today's video. Guys, please let me know in the comment section. Are you using any of these products? What can you say about them? Are there any of these products you will purchase as a result of this video? What do you guys think about this video in general? Like I said, this is my updated morning skincare routine. I just and it is the morning after retinol. Okay, so yeah, so I just focused on hydrating my skin and protecting my skin. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video so that YouTube can recommend this video and share the good news to other people. And please share this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.